Hello guys, so today we'll see the transplantation process. So what is transplantation? Before starting this video, please check out my channel. I make informational videos on biology related topics. So please check out my channel, other videos, previous videos. Check out, like, subscribe, and please subscribe my channel. Let's go to the topic. So here transplantation, it refers to the act of transferring cells, tissues or organs from one site to another. So it is the transfer of cells, living cells, tissues and organs from one site to another site. It can be between two different person or between ourselves. It was invented by the Alex Carrolls in 1908. So it was the bit of experiment which was done to discover the transplantation process. They took a live mice kidney and transplanted to a series of 9 mice. It was seen up to 25 days that the health of mice deteriorated and gradually all died. And then again in 1935, Boston again did the kidney transplantation in human. He took two identical twins and successfully transplanted the kidney. Identical twins are the types of twins which are formed from the same one, same one embryo. So now there are the various type of graft. Grafts are the external muscle or it can be an organ which is transplanted to the patient. Various types of grafts are autograft. Here is autograft, only position changes and it is within the same individual within the body. In isograft there are two different individuals between the twins, they are basically the twins. And allograft is between the two different individuals with the same genus like the bit of kingdom, species, that type of genus. In between the same type of genus, it is called allograft. Now there is xenograft. Xenograft is two different members, two different species. It can be between this xenograft can be between monkey and human, and it can be also between any other animals, between two different animals and species. It's called xenograft. So these are the four major types of graft, and these are the graft. We will see now go in deep this definitions of each graft as autograft, isograft, allograft and xenograft. So now we will see what is autograft. So autograft, it is a self tissue transfer from one body site to another in the same individual. It is between the same individual, only the site is changed. This definition states that only. Example like transferring healthy skin to a burnt area in the burnt patient. Use of healthy blood vessel to replace the blocked coronary arteries. Coronary arteries are present in heart. If there is a blockage, we can use the hand vessels, blood vessels or legs, and it can be any blood vessel. We can we can exchange it with this coronary artery. Now second is isograft. Isograft, it is a tissue transfer between genetically identical individuals in inbreed mice, and it can be performed from one mice to another syngeneic mice. It is from one mice to another syngeneic mice. Example in human, and isograft can be performed between genetically identical twins. It is the transfer between the genetically identical twins is called isograft. Now another is allograft. It is a tissue transfer between the genetically different members of the species, like between mice and human, and it can be between mice and any other other organism, between two different species. There are so much species in this our universe, so it can be between any species. Like example here is in mice, an allograft is performed by transferring a tissue an organ from one strain to another strain. Now this strain is the subtypes of species. After the species, the other thing occurs on the classification criteria is that kingdom, species, strain number. Strain number is also there. After strain there is strain number. Now at the last we have the xenograft. So it is in this xenograft the tissue transfer between two different species takes place, two distinct species. Like it can be between human and other organism, like it can be any other animal like monkey or any other animal. That is example that baboon heart of horse, heart of horse was implanted successfully in human. So it can be this type of graft is called xenograft, and it is rarely occurs because due to the T cell which play a role in the allograft rejection, which is this allograft rejection, which also take main role in the graft rejection, which is the main cause of main problem of graft transplantations.